Short-form videos have become the predominant way people consume content today. According to the Sprout Social Index, consumers find short-form videos to be 2.5 times more engaging than long-form video. So you should make it a key part of your content marketing strategy. Which brings me to the reason why I'm recording this video today: Facebook and Instagram Reels. Meta is rolling out a Reels A/B testing tool to help you see what resonates best with your audience. The quality of your video is not enough to please the Meta algorithm. Your thumbnail and caption also play an important role. With this new feature, we can test up to 4 different captions or thumbnails. Meta will automatically display the winning variant on your profile or page. This is a great leap forward for data-driven content creation. By analyzing concrete data, we can now make better informed decisions on what truly engages our audience. Heads up, this feature is still being rolled out, so be patient and keep an eye on it.